the Braai Dome. Good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to introduce you to today our new design, the Braai Dome. This is the single. Well, it was just better to go with our pizza domes, and I thought let's make it versatile, more versatile. We got this little rotisserie bracket at the back on the side, and that's fit to obviously the rotisserie or chicken or whatever you like. You can do normal braai at this grid, like that, or like so. And obviously, the first aim, we wanted something that's durable and affordable and of the highest quality that we could to go with our pizza dome. And here you go. This one is a little bit used. It's a nice snug fit, and it's a much cheaper option than buying some kind of expensive pizza oven. You just take the span off. Obviously, put this. Just slot in its place. You put the wood in there and you make a little fire, and you've got a very, very effective pizza oven going here. This is the way I like to start my charcoal. You burn it from the top down. Piece of quinoa on top. That's the way you get your stove. Now one of the questions will be if you can put it on the wooden table or plastic. I'm measuring now, this is just charcoal burning 58, maybe 60 in there.